Hi guys, today we'll be reviewing the Human Nature Healthy Lotion, and the variant that we are going to take a look at is the Blossom Beauty. Now if you don't know, there's actually other two variants of this product which are called the Berry Bliss and the Powder Love. Now, Human Nature is a Philippine product that is 100% natural, so it doesn't contain any harmful chemicals and irritating ingredients. It's free of mineral oil, silicone, and paraben. And another thing that I really adore about this product is that it contains nourishing agents. So it contains cocoa butter, avocado, sunflower, and soybean oils, and 12 nutrients and antioxidants, which are vitamins A, B, C, D, E, K, zinc, amino acids, essential fatty acids, choline, carotenoids, and phytosterols. So this really nourishes your skin. Aside from that, this product is biodegradable, so it doesn't really harm the environment. Now let's take a look at the product list. The ingredient list. And the expiration date is located at the bottom of this container. So this is good until... Now let's look into the lotion. Let me just pour some into my skin. As you can see, it's white in color and it has just a slightly thick consistency. And the thickness you'll feel as you lather it on your skin. But don't worry, because once it's fully applied, it doesn't really feel greasy and it doesn't leave you with a sticky sensation. So overall, I think the performance of Human Nature as a hydrating agent is really satisfactory. In fact, I even use this as a hand cream because you have to wash your hands quite a lot these days because of the pandemic. And so if you have dry hands, it gets cracked and it doesn't look good. So this one is really good in hydrating skin, although I must point out that the degree of hydration isn't that intense, but overall I still like it. Now let's take a look into the packaging. This product comes in a plastic bottle, and the variant that I have here is 200 ml, but there's actually a smaller version which is 50 ml. Now it has a flat lid, but there's an advantage to this, because if you're running low of a product, you could just make it stand on its lid, so all the remaining lotion pours down, but you'll have the print upside down if you made it like that. Alright, so I guess that's it. I really like the product of Human Nature because they're all natural. Oh, and by the way, I almost forgot. When you open this bottle and pour the lotion on your hands, it is really, really fragrant. It has this floral scent, which I really like. In fact, it's so intense that when I applied it, one of my friends noticed the smell right away, even though she was like 2 or 3 feet away from me. Alright, thank you so much for watching.